The process I'm about to demonstrate is the installation of the 60-second clip and go hair topper. The 60-second clip and go hair topper is a custom unit that is made specifically to cover the top or crown area of your head. The topper I'm about to install is called the Carissa topper. It's made from 100% Malaysian human curly hair. The wig clips are sewn at the bottom of the base of the topper to help ensure the topper remains in place and intact with no sliding, no shifting, no moving. Once the topper is installed, you will need to go through and trim and shape the topper to fit your desired style. You may need to add hair products to make the hair look the way that you desire. I'm going to go through now and just simply trim the stray edges from around the topper so that it can easily blend in with my natural hair. My natural hair is out around the sides and in the back of my head, and so I want to simply blend in the Malaysian hair to fit the style that I'm trying to achieve. So I'm just simply going around and snipping the extra long ends all the way around the topper, just so that it will blend more smoothly and it will look the way I want it to. It's going to be easier to style and easier to blend each day when I remove the topper and then add it back on the next day. The 60-second clip and go hair topper, the name comes from the quickness and the versatility of wearing this unit. It takes 60 seconds or less, literally, to install and clip the topper into place. Once you've clipped the topper into place to your desired shape and style, now you may want to add some hair products to help the hair look more natural. So I'm adding some foam wrap to the hair. It's curly hair, it's wet and wavy, so if you add a little bit of foam wrap or maybe some mousse, maybe even some water, you can achieve the desired style. So now you'll simply finger style the hair, placing the hair strands where you would like them to be so you can accomplish your desired results. I've used foam wrap, and now I'm just finger styling the curly hair, making sure that every hair is exactly where I need it to be. Hair toppers come in various styles. They come in different colors. They come in different textures. And best of all, they come in different sizes. So you're able to customize your hair topper based on your coverage needs and your desired style.